holding the balloons.
Ooh.
Oh. Look at this cool picture.
Enough, now we need to push it back. Now we need to push it back and down. Push it back.
Why?
Because we need to push the plane inside the place. Like just like this.
Bonte.
Just watch the tail and the wings.
Alright. Oh, I don't take the shirt. T-shirt, I mean. Hey.
Essa carne básica.
Edgar, tell us what are your feelings? Did you like it? Except the part that we forgot to let you hold the wheel. Besides that, everything else, was it cool?
Yes, it's cool. But it's a little small. What's what the matter? I mean,
It should be small. I think it is for 2 or like 3 people for short flights
yes.
and for amateur people, like not professional people, like Vlad himself. He's not professional. He's professional pilot, but it's not his occupation. So that's right.
Չէ, ասինքն ինքը բան է, իսկական բան է, պոստը չի աշխատում տեղ ինչ-որ։
Դե եմ ասում, ինքը իսկական professional, բայց ինքը իր համար է թողնում, ինքը բան չի անում, էլի, էս իր հաբին է, էս իր հաբին է։
Too short.
Ինչա? Too short?
Short.
Too short? No, I think it was fine. What was surprising for me, I was...
No video YouTube?
No.
Okay.
I was always thinking that LA is mainly flat land, but I could see it's so rugged, it's so hilly. So that's why so many...
to duck right on time, not to hit your head on this.
Молодец, Vlad. All accolades go to you. Good job.
Thank you so much, Vlad. It was wonderful.
It was good experience. Except the regular airplanes, we flew in one small plane, but there were 10 passengers in it.
What?
Not Trailing Ignatius Room, Grand Canyon. That's so cute. But it's short bars.